you would have joined not long after talks of disbandment. And other than that motivation to improve the place, what else kept you here?
I'd be lying if I said there wasn't once or twice where I drove out the gate here and said, right, that's it, I'm leaving. And ultimately you'd come along and something would change your mind, and you'd come back to the sports ground and you'd meet some familiar faces in the crowd, and you'd have a big win against somebody, and you'd sit in and have a beer in the dressing room after a game with all your friends, and you'd have a night out every now and again, and you'd say, why would I want to leave this place, and why would I want to leave the people, and you'd get drawn back in.
I think that's like, because there was a lot of lows at the time, you know, any high there was particularly sweet. From small victories then to that afternoon in Edinburgh, I suppose pretty. I feel very lucky anyway that we got to experience that.
That atmosphere when we got off the bus, I could have went out without a warm-up and played the match. My body was bloody shaking all over. There was pimples everywhere on me, and I struggled to keep my emotion intact. Part of the whole week was just us the following day as a team, just having a few beers in town with some lads you might never see again for a few years, and you'd probably never take the pitch with again, and saying goodbye to all them was very bittersweet, but also a great time just to sit down and reflect on the year and enjoy each other's company for probably what was going to be the last time as a group. A bit weird down in the Spanish Arch drinking Buckfast, but you got to do the Galway thing, don't you?